Now that is awesome. The bumper, it's actually not that bad, but now we're taking the headlight out. So we have a plastic cover that sits and tucks away in here. Just the cover. All right. If I can get him back in. There you go. There's a hole right there. There's a guide right there. You see that? See that? There it is. There it is. So this guy, it's actually quite funny. There's a stop and a push pin at the same time. So let me show you. If you lock it in place, you get a guy like this to meet someone like this and pop her up. Separate the two. Now if I could do it with one eye like I did before. Oh, there it is. Cool. Set it aside along with the other clips. Let's get this cup out of the way because we gotta take 10 mils out. The 10 mils are for the headlight. And well, I'm gonna sit here and struggle. I don't have to. I just need to get that one. She can stay. Oh, good thing the bumper's off. Hey, look, I found it. Why is this here? Why is there two of them? That's weird. They both fell. Oh, that's funny as hell. Well, good thing the bumper's off. Now, the third one is right here. Now, let's see if this is all we need to get the headlight out. So let's put this on pause and see. Wait. She's starting. She's wiggling. Let's there's something over here. Oh, another one right. That's got to be it. That's got to be it. Yeah, that's got to be it. That's got to be it. Let's see. Are you it? He said, tag, you're it. Let's see. Get this guy up out of the way. Let's see, grab her so she's secure. Oh, it was it. Well, that's one hell of a system. I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to take a picture of this. Behold. Took her eyeball out. There you go. Like it? Don't like it? Share? Don't share? Subscribe? Don't subscribe? Thanks for watching.